The 2011 Juke. The Juke is an adaptable and intelligent ride where all-wheel drive agility and handling meet turbocharged performance. This unique, sporty compact crossover fits your personal style perfectly. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, all-wheel drive, traction control, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, cruise control, power windows, remote power door locks, trip computer, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.